Hello, Randy Flinders here with Greensoft Technology, talking to you today about a new PFAS recording requirement in Canada. In July of 2024, a new reporting requirement was published in the Canadian Environmental Protection Act under paragraph 71(1)(b), which requires companies that produce in scope PFAS, import in scope PFAS, use in scope PFAS, or import any manufactured items containing in scope PFAS to report the details on the presence of those chemicals if they were used, produced, or imported in calendar year 2023. And these reports have to be put in by January 29th, 2025. So you either have to make that date or request an extension. Now, of most concern to electronics producers is the requirements facing manufactured items importers. The manufactured items are relatively simple to report. You only have a small amount of information to report, just information on the PFAS and the type of product, and basically you're covered. That is, unless the products you're importing are on the targeted manufactured list. If the manufactured items list that are being targeted for additional information is something that you're importing, for example, stuff, equipment used by children or footwear, then you would be required to provide a great deal more information than just a regular manufactured item. So you need to be able to collect that data from your supply chain and report that in through the reporting template. If you are using, importing, or producing the actual chemicals themselves or mixtures, chemical products containing those, then you have even additional information you need to report, such as facility information, known releases, and things of that nature. And whether or not you need to report on this information is going to depend a lot on what kind of things you're importing. Are you importing regular manufactured items or targeted manufactured items, or are you importing the raw chemicals themselves? Your reporting obligations kick in differently depending on what you're importing, what kind of products you're using it in, and exactly which specific PFAS you're dealing with. Greensoft can help because we have a presence of PFAS collection program, which goes out to the supply chain, collects information on all PFAS present in all the parts and materials, so you can cover not only reporting requirements for Canada, but also US TSCA reporting requirements, US states like Maine and Minnesota, as well as emerging requirements like the EU proposed PFAS ban. Their software that is available from Greensoft allows you to scan your products for PFAS or any other substance or restricted requirement and tell you exactly where those substances are present, how much, and which specific PFAS regulations or lists those are violating. So I encourage you to watch the full-length video to get all the details on this requirement. Also, give us a call if you have any additional questions. Thank you.
Watch the full-length video and gain access to our full archive of educational webinars at greensofttech.com/videos. And while you're there, learn about our premier solutions for environmental regulation compliance.